Just finished 10th or 12th and now wondering, what do I do now? Well, don't want to waste years preparing for big exams like NEET or KSET. Maybe you don't even want to do MBBS and you just want to start working now, immediately, instead of wasting 5 years in an education. Then listen closely, because paramedical might just be the best career move that you haven't really considered yet. In this video, I will explain everything about paramedical. After 12th, especially if you're from a science stream or non-science, there are multiple career options for you to choose from. If you're from a biology background, these are the courses you can do. If you're from a non-biology background, maybe commerce or arts, you can do these courses. These courses are all just 1.5 to 2 years long, in which you will do a theory also and an internship, so you can be prepared for practical skills. The most popular courses are DMLT and X-ray technician, most in demand in the job industry. Things like radiology are fantastic, after which you can pursue even higher studies and potentially become a professional. The best part is there's no need for any entrance exam, so you can start studying now and within just 2 years get a job where you can earn more than 22,000 rupees every single month, working for established places like hospitals, nursing homes, NGOs, clinics and even labs, which are in high need of paramedics. The salary can also go up to 40 to 50,000 rupees each month if you plan your career properly and think about the future needs. The best part is that you can also go abroad. Paramedics are now required in most parts of the world, and you as an Indian can go abroad to be a paramedic as well. So if you're someone who wants to start earning soon and does not want to do the NEET anymore, says NEET is not for me, MBBS is not a good option, I don't have the money, Diploma is where you should be heading. 1.5 to 2 year short courses, job is fast, earning money is fast. And here at GD Goenka Healthcare Academy, we can help you do that. We are the most premier institute in Bangalore for all things paramedical. We have tie-ups with over 100 hospitals, and we are here to help you get your dream job. Call us now or message us on the number below, because your future in healthcare can start today. My name is Soham. Visit our center or call us below, and we'll see you soon.